don't care who's doing better than me, because I'm doing better than I was last year. It's me against me. Okay? Okay.
Hello guys, Ninjani. Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Azana, Jezile. I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It is a good time here, I promise. Also, please do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. Lastly, please do not skip them ads. In today's video, I'm doing a day in the life of a content creator wannabe, or a day in the life of an influencer wannabe. I'm busy doing a campaign for Escort, and I will show you guys the behind the scenes, and we'll chat a little bit more about everything content creation and influencing. I'm wearing my It's Escort apron. It is so big. Look at this. It's huge. I don't have boobs, so it looks a bit weird, but we will make it work. Just wanna guys, it is a few days later from the last clip that you guys just saw. I was working with Escort. It was my very first Instagram campaign. I was so excited about that. Do not be afraid to shoot your shot. Last week I sent Brumley Cosmetics an email, and I was basically shooting my shot. And they responded this morning, and they would love to do a trade exchange with me for March. I'm so excited about that. Also, me being a nano influencer, meaning I have less than 10,000 followers or subscribers, so I have a very small following. I have about 2,600 Instagram followers, about 1,700 subscribers, so my numbers are not that great, but I would give you guys an advice. If you want to work with brands, I would highly recommend that you make the content first. So what I did for Brumley, I love the magnolia tissue oil. I've always raved about it. I've always loved it. If you go on my YouTube, Instagram, I've created countless content for them, and I would just randomly tag them. And yeah, I made a reel for them recently, and the reel did very well. The analytics were amazing. I'll put the analytics over here. And I reached out to them, and I asked if I could be part of their PR list, or I could do like a trade exchange with them, and they said yeah, they would love that, solely because they saw that I already put in the work. If they would go on my pages, they would see countless content that I've created for them without necessarily expecting anything in return. So it really needs to be a product that you love and you are passionate about. So you can't just rock up and hit a company up just because you want to get free products. You just have to put in the work. Honestly, that is what personally worked for me. So I am so excited. Yeah, do not be afraid as a nano influencer, meaning if you have less than 10,000 subscribers, do not be afraid to shoot your shot. Don't be afraid sending out emails to brands, not randomly copying and pasting an email. Make sure that you personalize your email to that brand. That really helps, and it shows that you've done research on the company. It shows that you are genuinely interested in working with that brand, rather than just copying and pasting the same message to a lot of companies. So I'd highly advise that if you are a nano influencer and you want to work with brands. So yeah, I'm super excited. This also has given me courage to be very intentional about the content that I create, and to not be afraid of shooting my shots. Also, you will get rejected. Rejection is part of the game. Honestly, you will get rejected, and that's okay. It's part of the game, it's part of the process. You just need to keep on moving and just keep on creating, and eventually it will happen for you. Okay guys, also being a nano influencer, it's not only about getting free product in exchange for a post. It's honestly building a relationship with the brands. Once you're on PR list, you do trade exchanges. That is when you're gonna build that relationship with brands. Obviously you're not gonna stay stagnant. Your numbers are not always gonna be small, so it's very important to build those relationships. My goal for this year, it is to build relationships with brands. It is to build my portfolio. Obviously I've worked with Escort now. I'm gonna work with Bromley. That is me honestly building my portfolio. Someone that sees my bio on Instagram will see that she has worked on campaigns before. She understands how this thing works. She knows the requirements. She knows how to read and understand a brief and create the content. Basically, she knows how to show up and deliver. So that is what it is about. Obviously I don't have the crazy numbers to get paid crazy amounts. Also, that is not an expectation that I have. Eventually, as time goes, I will make the money, but right now I want to build the portfolio so that I can get to a point where I'm comfortable to create a media kit, a price list, all of these things. But we all have to start somewhere. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Another important thing that I want to mention as a nano influencer is that you need to build trust with your audience. Don't be desperate. Don't operate from a place of desperation. I've started receiving emails from brands. Obviously in the past 2 years I've been on YouTube, I've honestly never received emails with regards to partnerships and sponsorships. So I've started receiving emails about partnering with certain companies, and honestly I've turned down most of those companies solely because alignment, there is honestly not alignment with the content that I create for my audience, because I want to build that trust, you know. There was a Spanish company that reached out to me. I was just like, it's not a match. I don't think my audience is interested in learning Spanish. So there are gonna be companies that reach out to you. Yes, the money is definitely gonna be tempting, but honestly, I feel like your trust is so much more, you know, important than just accepting any sponsorship that comes your way. You know, always think about your audience. Always think about how is this gonna benefit my audience. So yeah, so do not operate from a place of desperation or just for the sake of getting the money, there will be other companies that will reach out to you that will be in alignment with the type of content that you create. So I highly believe in that. So yeah, I know it might be very frustrating to be a nano influencer and feel like not a lot of brands are reaching out to you, not a lot of brands are wanting to work with you, so that now when brands do start reaching out, you just want to take everything. That can be very tempting because you're not used to even receiving an email from someone that is interested in working with you. But your trust is very important, especially in the long run. My last tip for the influencers wannabe, or the nano influencers, or even micro influencers, I would say do not strive for perfection, but strive for consistency. It is very easy to get discouraged. It is very easy to think to yourself like, what is the point? It can be very discouraging being a small influencer or being a nano influencer or doing this YouTube thing, Instagram thing. It can be very discouraging. You feel like you're not going anywhere. What's the point? Brands are not reaching out. You're getting rejected left, right, and center. Do not focus on that. Just focus on being consistent. Don't focus on perception, on
What?
perfection, because there is no such thing as perfection. Have fun, keep on creating, keep on improving your skills, and yeah, it will all work out in the end. This is also a note to self, because sometimes I need to hear this myself. Honestly, it is not a walk in the park. A lot of people think that this thing is easy. You just post a picture and then you're done. There's definitely more to it than that. So I'd highly encourage you guys to keep at it, to keep going, and you will get somewhere. Yeah. This is it, you guys, for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please comment down below if you want a part 2. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, please share, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I post. Watch them ads. Also follow me on Instagram. It is Azana_Jezile. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.